Experience life driving a motorcycle with a medium cylinder. Experience life driving a motorcycle with a medium cylinder. Introduce myself. Tell about unusual things I have riding a medium cylinder motorcycle. Things I have enjoyed riding a motorcycle the most. Hello everyone, this is me. Study business administration. I live in Bogota. I work as a motorcycle commercial advisor. I like to play soccer. I like reading. I like to watch action movies. I like to travel on a motorcycle. Unusual things I have driving a medium cylinder motorcycle. Motorcycle for me have been synonymous of freedom. I have had many wonderful experience with them. So I want to show you some of them. Number one, I have traveled for the first time on the road a medium cylinder motorcycle. Number two, with my friends, we have known many spectacular places. Number three, the experience I have to riding the motorcycle is wonderful. Number four, when we go to a town, we have to know this culture. Number five, we have had opportunity to try different gastronomic varieties from our country. Number six, in our tours we have not accidents, taxed goods. Number seven, with our group we have done social works. Number eight, with my friends I have learned the value of friendship. Number eight, with my wife we have enjoyed life in a different way. Number 10, so far I have enjoyed life with intensity. Things I have enjoyed riding a motorcycle the most. Number 5, the experience I have to riding the motorcycle was wonderful. Number 4, with my friends we have to know many spectacular places. Number 3, with my wife to have enjoyed life a different way. Number 2, with our group we have done social works. Number 1, we have had the opportunity to try different gastronomic varieties from our country. Okay, this is what I wanted to share with you. Take this advice.